What is VAWA? Many of you, I'm sure, have heard the term. Many of you might already know exactly what it is, but I'm also going to tell you what the requirements are for it. So VAWA is Violence Against Women's Act. It is a program or a petition that can be filed for an immigrant if you are experiencing any sort of abuse from your spouse who is a U.S. citizen or from a lawful permanent resident. It is also for parents who experience abuse from their children, U.S. citizen children. And even though VAWA is called Violence Against Women's Act, it is also for men as well. And the reason why the government enacted this program was so that immigrants would not get taken advantage of. When you come to the United States, and if you get married to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, or you have, U.S. citizen children, things like that, the government does not want those people to be able to take advantage of immigrants. So for instance, you might hear things like, oh, well, you need me. You can't get your green card without me, things like that. That is why this program was enacted, so that you can get your green card without your abusive spouse or your abusive children. Now, abuse could mean anything from physical abuse to where it's actually, domestic violence situations, or it could mean financial abuse, mental, emotional abuse, threatening to call ICE on you, threatening to get you deported, not allowing you to have access to bank account and money, not allowing you to be able to see your friends, like isolating you from your friends. And those are all forms of abuse that VAWA is here for. So if you need any help, this is confidential, by the way, so you can seek help from an immigration attorney. You do not necessarily have to have gone to the police or anything like that, because we know, they know that there's fear, right, in that. But you don't have to go through this alone. And VAWA is here to protect you as the immigrant from any sort of abuse from your U.S. citizen spouse, your lawful permanent resident spouse, or if you are a parent, from your U.S. citizen children.